Hello guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Time with Big Bet. My name is Albert and I'm a graduate student assistant at Wayne State University. Here on this channel I talk about how international students can secure fully funded scholarships to study here in the United States. So if you are looking for fully funded scholarships and you've not found one, then this is the right channel for you. We are a family of about 1,800 subscribers. If you want to be part, just hit on the subscribe button. I am very much aware that the application fee here in the United States is very expensive. Yes, you heard me right. It's really expensive. So one way to cut cost is to make your application as soon as possible. In November, most of the universities here in the United States are waiving application fees. So you can click on my subscribe button and turn on my notification bell and then be monitoring my community tab, right? I've been updating schools waiving application fees. So if you want to catch up, if you want to stay updated, then just turn on my notification bell and so you don't miss out. Here on this episode is yet another university here in the United States giving international students like myself. I am an international student. They are giving international students fully funded scholarships in the form of graduate assistantships and fellowships. Like we always do not go anywhere. Stay till the end of this video if you really want to apply to the school. So the name of this university is University of Notre Dame and it's in the state of Indiana. So without wasting much time, let's quickly run through their programs. By the way, this is their page. If you want to apply, first of all, I'll leave the websites in my description box. So if you want to apply, you can check my description box and then apply from there. So let's quickly run through their programs. So you just come on this menu and then you hit on degree programs, then you scroll all the way down. You can see all the programs that they do offer. So there's a filter for you if you want to filter by college. You can see here we have College of Engineering, College of Science, grad school and stuff like that. And you can also filter by the degree, whether PhD or master's program or stuff like that. So you can see that. So for the sake of this video, I don't want to be skipping programs, so I'm not filtering anything here. So you can see the programs here, all the programs. You have very nice programs. You have aerospace and mechanical engineering in PhD. The deadline for fall is December 31. So if you are watching this video, if you are really interested in applying to this program, for sure you can apply now. There's no time to waste. And then the deadline for spring has already passed, which it was October 15th. So if you want to know the requirements, you just click on that and there will be a pop-up menu on your far right, and then you can read. This link is the link to the program handbook. If you want to read more about the program, just hit on that. Yeah, so as you can see, application materials, GRE general test is optional. GRE is optional, and if you are from a non-English speaking country, non-native speakers of English, then you have to submit TOEFL or IELTS or Duolingo. Personally, I recommend Duolingo because it's pretty easy. Your CV, your transcript, your statement of intent or SOP, and then you will need three letters of recommendation, and then you will need your transcript, unofficial transcript. I've already explained what an official transcript is. So unofficial transcript is any transcript you upload in the portal yourself. So during the application process, if you yourself upload your own transcript, it doesn't matter if it's stamped or not. So far as it's coming from you, it's unofficial. But then if your university sends to this university, then it becomes official. Or if any credential evaluation company sends your transcript to the university, it becomes official. So for sure, for application purposes, you can use the unofficial transcript, and after admission, you can make your university send your transcript to this university, and then it becomes official for sure. Yeah, so this is the program director's name, contact, and email. So if you are looking for funding opportunities, for sure, this is the contact you should be looking at. Try and send him an email, and then probably your CV or transcript, and tell him that maybe you are looking for funding opportunities. If there is any, for sure, he is going to guide you. And if you want to go to their program page, for sure, that this is the link. So let me just hit on that. Here you can see this is their program page. And if you want to know more, again, this is the program director's email again, and stuff like that. So if you want to know more about the program, you can be reading. But for the sake of the video, I am not reading anything there. So they have a lot of programs: biological sciences and PhD. The deadline is December 1. You can see same requirements: the program director's name, phone, and email. And this is their website, same requirements, right? So I want to be jumping through very, very quickly. Biochemistry PhD, deadline is December 15. So you don't have much time. You have over, I think, a month or so from today. So you can start preparing. If you don't have any of those documents that I just showed you, then you can prepare. Bioengineering, the deadline for fall is January 1. I think for that program you have time. Biological sciences, like I said, is December 1. Biophysics, PhD in biophysics, December 1. So these deadlines are looming. So you have no time. You have no time to waste. Chemistry is December 15. Chemical engineering is January 1. You have time. That is January 1. Civil engineering is, I think, January 1 for fall semester, right? For spring semester is already passed, which is October 1. But if you are targeting fall, it's January 1. Okay, masters in civil, I think that is March 18. I think they don't have funding, so anytime you can apply for sure. That is if you are well to do. But then this video is for funding purposes, so we are trying to dodge that. So you can see it's pretty easy. Economics, January 15. Electrical engineering, December 15th. PhD in electrical engineering, that's also December 15th. So for funding purposes, like I always say, apply early. PhD in English, December 13. Masters in English, December 13. So you can just go through, and then mathematics, January 8. PhD in mathematics. Material science, maybe refer to host program deadlines. Maybe they don't have a fixed dated time, that is why they've not updated it. So for sure, they have loads of program, physics and stuff like that. And then the requirements are also same as the ones we checked. So for sure, if you're looking for funding, it's quite easy. Political science and stuff like that. So the programs are quite a lot. So let's move on to business. So the main purpose why I made this video is because this university has loads of funding opportunities, especially for international students. So if you want to study on a fully funded scholarship, then for sure you should look at this school. It is honestly one of the top-notch universities here in the United States. So you just, if you're looking for the funding opportunities, you can just hit on the funding and awards. So you can see funding and awards. They have loads of funding opportunities. They have tuition scholarship. They are saying that almost 100% of PhD students in the graduate school receive full tuition scholarship, for sure. And they are also saying master programs offer varying levels of support, ranging from tuition assistantships and full tuition plus a stipend, which is allowance, which means you'll be giving something at the end of every month. So you can see university fellowships and assistantships. I have a little bit of time, so I can read our PhD students. 94%, nearly all of them, receive multi-year fellowship or assistantship that provides stipends, which means you'll be paid at the end of every 2 weeks or every month. For 2024-2025 academic year, Notre Dame standard stipend for PhD students on a 12-month basis is $35,000. Oh my God, $35,000 for humanities and social sciences, and $42,000 for engineering students. 42,000. That's a lot of money. It's a lot of money as a student. So you'll be giving this amount every year. That is, if you are able to secure assistantship in this school. So on top of that, they will also pay for your health insurance for you. Health insurance in this country is very, very expensive. So if you are giving health insurance, then for sure it's a big deal. And they also have competitive funding and awards resources. So they have loads of scholarship here in the form of fellowships, assistantship, and stuff like that. So like I said, if you want to apply to this school, first of all, make an application. Put in your application as soon as possible because the deadline is looming. And then what you have to do is email your program director, tell him you are looking for assistantship, you are looking for scholarships, and then maybe probably send him your CV and stuff like that. And then hopefully they will direct you for sure. So this is the end of the video. If you like what I just did, then please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos. I've been making videos like these, and if it's your dream to study in the United States, then for sure this is the right channel for you. Thank you. So if you want videos like this, if you want to stay updated, if you are looking for schools that you can apply, schools offering international students fully funded scholarship, then this is the right channel for you. Like I said earlier, please subscribe to this channel, turn on my notification bell so you don't miss out.